Caribbean IT has just released new software for the professors, teachers, and students of East Asian languages, such as Chinese, Japanese, or Korean. The novelty comes in a form of a crossword. Quite entertaining. The idea is to offer the students a more playful form of the language class. The whole system is simple to use and has the facility to teach not only the language, but also history, literature, or customs. All this designed with the remote form of education in mind. You can build crosswords in any language using this tool. We are now watching the student's part. The teacher has already defined the words to be solved and has also provided the question phrases or hints. At this stage, the student is supposed to identify the characters required and build the correct word one by one. The characters are displayed to the left and to the right of the crossword. They are displayed in a random order, of course. You can see them in vertical columns with red font on yellow background. In this example, the first question relates to the famous 1967 Beijing opera and a film about the Chinese Revolution. The student is supposed to guess the title of the play, which is East is Red. The student clicks on the character East and places it in the proper square. The second character has already been provided by the teacher. This is an option when guessing the whole word might be deemed too difficult. The third character is Red, which the student correctly solves. When the whole word is completed, the student receives an immediate positive feedback, which we can see in the top left part of the screen. This was the student part.
Right now we are looking at the teacher's part, or the back end if you wish. This is where the crosswords are born. Creativity is in high demand here. The horizontal menu at the top allows the teacher to access Create Crossword. We are looking at this part of the system right now. Other menu options are My Crosswords, My Students, My Tests, Notifications.
As you can see, a part of the crossword has already been made in this example. We are creating one word after another. Each word requires 4 steps, which are question, answer, direction, and starting point. Let's create a new question-answer combination. This is how the teacher creates the question-answer combination. We have selected this example to demonstrate that the crosswords not only can teach the language, but also history, culture, customs, or literature. The teacher has decided to place the word in the vertical direction and clicks the starting position. This would be all. Don't forget to click on the green Save button, and at this point you can already start thinking about the next question.
Some words or phrases may be really difficult to guess, even for a well-prepared student. In such cases, the teacher may mark some characters as visible to the student all the time. This is how it can be done. Simple, isn't it?
This is a list of tests the teacher has already created. In order to create a new test, let us click on the green button. This is how it is done. First, enter some new name for the test. Then choose a crossword to be solved in the test. After that, you select the names of students which will participate in the test. Finally, you will select the time the test will run. You can set the time in 2 ways. The first option is to select a date, which can be any day in the future. The student will have much time, days, weeks, or months to work on the crossword. The second option is to create a time-controlled test for a specific time frame, for example 90 minutes. The test will be accessible and available only in this time frame. An individual time span will be measured for each student.